Alright, so here I have a problem involving two bonds, both redeemable at par at the end of the same period, the same interest rate of 4% convertible semi-annually. So one of the bonds is going to cost $1,136.78. So that's the price of the first bond, which I'm going to note as P1. So I have it equal to that. And we're also told that the first bond has a coupon rate of 5% convertible semi-annually. So I'll mark that. And then we're not really our goal is to find P2. And they also give us a coupon rate of P2. And so these are all givens. And looking back at two bonds redeemable at par, that basically tells us that the par value of face value is going to be equal to the redemption value. And so that's going to be 1,000 for both bond 1 and bond 2. Oh, I should also denote these two R's for their respective bonds and prices. And then we have I is equal to 4% for both bonds. So the key thing here is that the period and the period is semi-annually for both bonds, and so is the interest rate. So that basically tells me that VN right here is going to be the same for both the first bond and the second bond. And to start for P2, I have C. I'm given C, which is 1,000, and I need to find G and VN. So to start off, I'm gonna start by finding P1 to find what VN is. So a P1 equal to 30. And to find G, I'm going to be using over here. G is equal to FR over I. So F is going to be 1,000. Also denote this as G1 because it's for the first bond. So what's it be 1,000 times the coupon rate, which is 5%, over the interest rate, which is over 4%, and that should give us G1 is equal to 1250. And since we already calculated G1, let's just calculate G2 as well. The process is going to be the same. It also has an F equal to 1,000, except that the coupon rate is doing 0.025 instead. And we'll have G2 is going to be equal to 625. So we'll save that for later. But for now, let's start for P1. So we have G. I'm not starting for P1. We're starting for V to the N. Let's see. So G is going to be 1250. C is going to be 1,000 because that's given. Minus 1250 again. And we just solved this for Vn. For simplicity's sake, I'm just going to say it's approximately equal to this. Though you should check it for yourself on your own calculator and make sure you have it all the decimals saved. Alright, so now that I have Vn, we just need to start from P2. We have all the components we need. We have G, which is going to be equal to 625, plus Vn, which I'm just going to leave as this encapsulate all the decimal places, multiplied by C minus G. C is still 1,000, and G is going to be 625 in this case. In that case, we have P2 is equal to 794 and 83 cents. Oops. Good enough.